To set a live wallpaper on Google Pixel 11, you can, for example, go to Settings on your phone. And then over here in Settings, we want to choose Wallpaper and Style. Now we can choose more wallpapers here at the bottom to open all of these different categories and options. And we are looking for Living Universe, which should be somewhere over here. And Living Universe category allows you to find animated wallpapers. So if you find something that you would like to use, then you should be able to set it up on your phone. So let's say I'm going to use this wallpaper over here. And it seems that the animation doesn't work for the preview, unfortunately. So we need to download the wallpaper first in order to then be able to set it up, of course. All right, it has been downloaded, and now we can actually see the preview of the animation as well. So in order to see the animation, you need to actually download the wallpaper first. Once you have it downloaded, you should be able to go next. Then you can decide if you want to set it on the home screen or lock screen or both, of course, and we're going to tap on Apply. And there we go. Now we have our animated wallpaper on the Google Pixel 11. Now, if you are not really satisfied with the list of options or the list of wallpapers, animated wallpapers that we have here in Settings, then you can also try to use third-party apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to get animated wallpapers. So we can go to the Play Store, for example. Let me actually restart the app. There we go. And in here, we can search for live wallpaper, video wallpaper, animated wallpaper, and stuff like that. I'm just going to type live wallpaper here. There we go. And as you can see, we can find many different examples. In my case, I'm going to use this app over here. I'm going to install it, and I'm going to show you how to set up the wallpaper based on this app here. Feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one. And let me show you how to set it up. So once you have the app, you want to open it. And we will begin the setup, which isn't that complicated. We just have to tap on Accept and Continue over here. Then we're going to tap on Accept here. You don't have to agree to receive notifications, so we can tap on Not Now, and we can close this premium offer by using the X in the upper right corner. Now we can switch to video wallpapers, and then in here you should be able to find a bunch of different examples and a bunch of different animated wallpapers that you might want to use. So let's say I'm going to use any of these collections, and let's say I'm just going to choose maybe this one over here. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different options to choose from. And let's say I'm just going to choose this one here. Very similar to the one that I already have, but let's say I want to set this wallpaper on my phone. So all I have to do now is I need to use this purple button below. And now we have two options. We can either watch an ad and get the wallpaper, or you can use credits to get the wallpaper. We get 10 credits once you install the app for the first time, so of course we can use it. We can set the first wallpaper completely for free, but in my case I'm just gonna watch an ad over here. And once you watch an ad or if you use credits, then you should be able to set the video wallpaper. So we're gonna tap on this button over here, and then tap on the set wallpaper, and then you can choose if you want to set it on the home screen, lock screen, or both. I'm gonna set it for both. There we go. Now we should be able to see our animated wallpaper. And in case it doesn't work, you might need to, for example, lock the phone and then unlock it again. And there we go. On the lock screen, we can see that it immediately works, and here it works as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.